Sweet pepper salsa. This is something I came up with when Wolf had a hockey game, a bag of chips, and nothing to eat them with. I'm going to make sweet pepper salsa. I've got a bag of those little peppers. No green peppers in there, just all yellow, orange, and red, which is good because I also have jalapeno in there. Some people don't like it hot, and since this is the only thing green, they can pick it out. I've got some carrots that I'm going to grate in just because I had them laying around, and about half of a sweet onion. To top it off, a little bit of Annie's light raspberry, or I've used other light raspberry dressing too. I love this chopper. I can't use it for everything. Peppers are tricky because they have that skin on them, especially the larger peppers. But for onions, this is great. Okay, the chopper does not work on large peppers, but I tried it on the jalapenos and it works. You just have to go in there periodically and look for the large pieces where the skin's flattened out against the cutting board and flip them over so that the blades have a chance to cut them. Okay, here's what I meant by going in and finding the large pieces that weren't being cut against the board and pulling them out, putting them on top, because then the blades are going to cut them. Okay, I'm dicing the rest of these up by hand. I don't like how mashed the peppers get in that chopper. Everything is chopped up and in the bowl, and what you need is just a little bit of raspberry vinaigrette dressing. You don't need a lot. All you want to do is slightly flavor it, make it a little sweet. You don't want to have it swimming. The vegetable, whoops, I'm going to have to put this down. Okay, all mixed up, ready for the fridge. In about an hour, I will give it to Wolf with a bag of chips. Take it easy on how much dressing you add. The peppers themselves have water, so do the onions, and you don't want it swimming. You just want a little light flavor to add to the taste of the vegetables.